Hey, what's up here? What's up, everybody? Jay here at Hvac Vitals. Welcome to my channel. Just showing off my tool bag I got. Got this at Walmart. Regular price was like $29, but they marked it down to like 20 bucks. So I jumped all over it. Like I said, it's my first tool bag in HVAC. So it's got pockets. You got pockets there. It's also got you can see it's got some dividers in there where you can put different stuff like a cutter or wire strippers or anything like that. You got a metal hook right there where you can put like a tape measure or whatever you got that's, you know, you just want to reach and grab. It's handy. Another thing that sold me on this was it had a shoulder strap. So if you're going up in the attics or crawling in the crawl space, put that around your shoulder and keep on going. It's also got a center where you can put your drill bits, whatever, hammer, whatever, light, flashlight. It's got another pocket set on another side here where you can put some more hand tools, pliers, needle nose. Got a little pouch here so you don't, you can put stuff in that you don't want falling out. It's got another pouch here where you put some stuff in there that, it's not, you don't need right away. Like I said, 20 bucks for this here is a good steal. It's got little feet on the bottom. Yeah, this is my first HVAC bag, Walmart brand, Hyper Tough. But yeah, it also comes with, a handle. But I really like it because the selling point was shoulder strap. But like I said, when I first saw this bag, it was $29, and now it's down to like 20 bucks. But yeah, metal buckles here. So I mean, it's built sturdy. It's not like a $100 bag, not a $50 bag, but to get you started like I am, I think it's perfect. Perfect. But yeah. First bag. So go to your local Walmart or whatever and check these out. I mean, it's probably not American made. It's probably gonna fall apart on you, but hey, like I said, get you started, get you in there. Perfect. So thank y'all guys for tuning in. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Hvac Vitals. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share. But anyway, guys, I'll see y'all at the next one. See ya.